Oh, no come here, 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 no come here. Me pick from the beg a second, man. No come here. Talk it God truth now. No talk it truth God love you now. Cause now me gonna find out who wicked from who not wicked. And me are the only one I wait till you bite lick them down and broke them up. Now that you don't watch the entire video. Talk it truth, you know. And talk it truth God love you know. And me are the only one I wait for the radam. Me I talk it truth, you know. Me say me I wait, me I say, how this video gonna end? Is it gonna end with a car licking them or them end up in a car? How it gonna end? Because me see the video ending half full. I saw the video ending half fully. Alright. First question that you know. Next question now. Who do you think can ride better? Who do you think is a better rider? The police or the bike man, or the next bike man? Who do you think is a better rider? Me, the one where I run from the cops, you know. That boy that can ride and him know that I save him nothing, you know. Him know the neighborhood. Him know where him there. Him know the community. For you see all at the end where I take it through them shortcut there and boop, 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 boop. But to me, the police is a better rider than him. Because you see at the end of the day, him a cause traffic block up and this and that, you know. And after you slip through, you know, then remember the car, them stop, all them something there, the police still have to maneuver through all of that, you know. That make me want to give the police the little heads up over him. And then for the fact that, are you a crash? I know the police start crashing, you know. Are you crash? Say this next person, I get to the girl, I get up off of the bike and I run left you. The police grab them this so. Nah lie. This was a funny video. This was a funny video. In all honesty, I'm glad say it didn't end in a fatality or nobody seriously got hurt. Well, not to our knowledge. Because we don't know what happened behind him after they did all of that whooping. We don't know if somebody got injured off that camera. You understand me? Because we have to talk about that aspect of it as well. But in all honesty, I'm glad it turned out somewhat decent. Because, boy, I lie. But wasn't it exciting? Wasn't it a good watch? Talk it truth now. Wasn't it a good watch? It's a good little chase. Little chase that did hot. Little chase that did hot, man, on a real level. That was a hot little chase. With that being said, my people, share it for who needs to see it and hear it. Share it. Please make sure you're following me on all platforms. Father Epic and Father Epic TV right around the board. Wherever you are, I am there. Search for me. Like, comment, share. That's the easiest way to support me and it don't cost a thing. Like, comment, share. If you're on YouTube, hit the notification bell. Facebook, hold on the like button or hold on the follow button. The options will pop up. Click favorite so you can get the video when they drop. As they drop, so you don't miss a beat. See, pray. With that being said, this is where the video ends. Excuse me? Show breadcrumbs. I'm crouch up there.